Meaning of dowel rod.
Dowel rod.
Dowel rod.
Dowel rod.
Dowel rod. A dowel rod is a cylindrical wooden or metal rod used in woodworking for joining two pieces of material together. It is usually small in diameter and can be made from a variety of materials, including bamboo, steel, and plastic. Dowel rods are often used in furniture construction to strengthen joints or add decorative elements, and they can also be used in craft projects. They are typically sold in standard lengths and diameters, and can be easily cut to fit the desired size and shape. In short, dowel rods are an essential tool for many woodworking and DIY projects.